Busy 24 hours for the police as two alleged gangsters cut down in two parishes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kelisha Williams. Also this evening, Education Ministry bullish about its readiness to deal with future disasters. And transport operators in Morant Bay want fixes to poor infrastructure in the town. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so do stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.